Hi everyone and welcome to SCSP's YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about word lists. Now word list, as the name suggests, is a list of words that can either contain meaningful text such as dictionary words or just a random character strings. Word lists are used when you want to brute force a password against a certain service. So it can be against a login panel or it can be against a service such as SSH. The tool that we'll be using is called Crunch. Now, Crunch is a word list generator and it generates these word lists based on the criteria that you pass it. It's a password utility and it's pre-installed in Kali Linux. So let's see the tool. So if I just write here Crunch, it can show me the usage. It's pretty simple. It's just Crunch and then a minimum value and a maximum value and then some options. So what does it mean by minimum and maximum? Now let's say that you are targeting a login panel. Then you can tell from the functionality that the login panel will accept passwords greater than the length of 7 characters. So your minimum will be 7. That is, the minimum size of each word will be 7 characters and the maximum you can keep like 10 or 12 or so on. So let's see how this tool will run. So I'll just write here Crunch, and for this example I'll keep the minimum to 3 and the maximum to 5. So basically Crunch will create a word list and it will have the words containing the character length from 3 till maximum 5 characters. Next we will specify the character set. So here I'm writing ABCD and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the character set, meaning that each of the word will contain either the characters from A to D and 1 till 4. It will not contain any other character than these. Then lastly, I will specify the output file. So I'm just going to write here list.txt and the output file will be specified using the -o switch. Press enter. Then you can see that Crunch will generate 37,000 lines approx, and these are the number of combinations that it has created using the 8 characters we gave it and from the length to 3 till 5. So if I open this file using leafpad, you can see the combinations in it. So we have starting from 3 characters going up till 4, and the characters in each word are from A to D and 1 to 4. Now if I don't specify the character set here, by default Crunch will take all the alphabets and all the numbers as input. So you can see that it will generate a file of 70 MB and it will have these many combinations. So it's going to take some time to make all these permutations. In the meantime, if you don't want to create your own word list, so you have another option. Kali has built-in word lists, so you can go into the USR folder, then go into the share folder, and then the word list folder. So here you can see different word lists of different tools, that is DIRB, Nmap, Metasploit, and so on. So these are the word lists that Kali has pre-built inside of it. The words and passwords in these lists are compiled from leaked password lists or leaked password databases that were due to some data breach on a certain application. And these lists will give you authentic passwords as well. So if you don't want to use a combination of all characters, then you can use these lists for your brute forcing as well. So you have 2 options here. So now you can see it's 100% completed. And if you open the file, then you can see all of these password combinations. So I hope you understand the tool, and thanks for watching.